Hi viewers, welcome back to my channel. My name is Charles Peace. In today's video, we'll be making a beautiful petals. It's a design craft from a fabric, a flower design you can use to design your clothes. Now, the items we need for this tutorial, you need a gum stay. This is the thick one. I need a lining and a fabric of your choice. You can use a flowered one, but I'm using a plain fabric for it because I needed a plain design. Now, if you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Click on the bell icon to be notified anytime I publish another video. And first of all, mark the shapes of the flower I want to make. This is 8 inches. 8 inches. I'll just make out shape of this form. Know how flower looks like. Just a petal. So I'll just be shaping them out. To make it easier for you, you can determine how many lengths you want to take. How many lengths you want to take the shape from. Like if I say 3 inches from this line, depending on how many you want to achieve, I'll cut it out now. I'm having 6 petals here. The next thing I'll do is to place it on my gum stay. Now, I'll look for the back. This is the side that has glue on it. So I'll place the wrong fabric to the side that has glue, like so. Now, the next thing I'll do with my hot iron, I'll iron it for it to glue, for it to stick to the fabric. By the time it sticks together, I'll stop ironing. I will cut it out. Now I've cut each of them out. The next thing I'll do now is to cut out lining for it. Okay, I've cut out the 6 of them, their lining. So the next thing I'll do now is to go to my sewing machine and sew. Before I sew, I'll place it like so. I'll turn it over and sew through, leaving at least 2 inches at the down part where I will pull it out from. So I'm going to turn all of them. I've already turned it, so I'll go and sew each of them. After then, I'll tell you the next thing I will do. Now I've already sewn each of them. So the next thing I'll do now is to turn it out to the right side from the opening. The next thing I'll do, I'll iron each of them. After ironing, I'll then close up this point. I'll just fold it in like so, each of them, because this will be the down part. So I'll close up each of them. If you want, you can go ahead and fold it in twice, like so. So the first thing is to iron, the second thing is to close up the open edges. I've already sewn it, ironed and top stitched this edge. So now you now take it, each of them, one after the other. You can use your hot glue or gun glue to attach it to your clothes, or you can decide to stitch it with needle and thread. So what you need is to be placing each of them. You place it to overlap each other like so. This is how it will be as the one that is shown in the picture. As many as you want. Then after then, you can use your design, your trimmings, any to cover up this edge. You can just space it out like so. So what you need is just this edge. You can use your hot glue. You can use your needle and thread to attach this edge to the clothes. By the time you place it together and attach it to your clothes, you go ahead and take your design and cover up this edge. So guys, this is how you place it on your clothes. You then use any design of your choice to cover up this edge where you overlapped it. You cover it up like so. You can do as many you want. And for this, you can use any trimmings you want as well to design the edges. So I just showed you plain like this. You can do yours so that it will look more beautiful than this. So guys, thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Click on the bell icon to be notified anytime I upload a new video. You can place it anywhere. So you can place it like so. Can decide to bring it up at this point or anyhow you want to place it. So guys, I hope this video is helpful. So this is how it looks. So guys, I would like to see yours and you design it with your beautiful clothes. It will come out very, very beautiful. Don't forget to share to your friends, give it a thumbs up, and bye till I see you in my next video.